Hold on just 1 second here. You know when you start recording but the camera's smudgy. Okay. I need to turn myself into a rapper. A rapper. Not like a rapper that you unwrap, but a rapper. Per. Okay. This video goes out to everyone is beat with... I need to work on my rapping skills. This video goes out to everyone who's been with me from the first few videos on YouTube. The day one people. The ones who've been around here since before we had 200. I know you like vlogs, and I feel like vlogging today. So this one's for you. Yeah. Okay. My rapping career has begun, and it is now finito. Going home with a full vocabulary of Spanish words. Finito. That's about all I know. Can you hear the classical music in the background? So every morning the hotel turns on classical music at 9 o'clock exactly, and I love it. I love it so much. It's so soothing, especially the fact that they just repeat the same song over and over. Like, that might sound like a nightmare to somebody else, but for me it's exactly what I enjoy, because when I have the same song over and over, I can get into a proper relaxed state. If the song changes, then I'm just like then I'm getting in the vibe of the new song, and then I have to get in the vibe of the other song. There's a time and place for that, but for a rest and relaxation, one song on repeat. It's gentle, it's soothing. You can still hear the birds, and you can hear just people talking in the background, and you can also hear the waterfalls. It's just so soothing, so soothing. And for this reason, I've been having just the most relaxing sleep. You know what? Let's go somewhere where we can talk, and I don't have to be so all up in your face, where we can have better light. Because I just want to share a few things, like, I feel like God is speaking to me, and I want to share what I feel like I can share right now. Okay, let's go. Also take some pictures, because I don't think I'm gonna wear this dress again for a while. Like, the arms were tight to get on, like it fits me to a certain extent, but like my arms, I have thick arms, and they were not made for this dress. So I'm gonna take some pictures in it and then call it a day for the dress. How humid must a place be for your glasses to fog up? Now it's not gonna happen. Dang it. I guess today's not humid, but every time I would step outside, my glasses would just become super foggy. I thought I was coming up here to chat with you, but I want to like soak in the sounds, you know what I mean? Listen to all that. Can you hear that? Hey, it's always a good time in Boca Chica, let me tell you. I think I might take you on another walk just so that we can hear the scooters, 2 scooters, the cars, the music, the water, the people, everything. It's a symphony. I'm going to show you the view so that you actually see what I'm looking at. Not only am I looking at the street, at the people, but I'm also able to see the ocean. I think this video is just for me, to be honest. I think it's just for me to look back upon and to just enjoy. There are so many moments throughout this trip that I felt extremely blessed. In fact, I have my journal here, but I don't know if this is the right spot. We keep moving spot. I don't think this is the right spot for me to like get all, intro what? Intro what? Introspect. What is the word? Yeah. This might not be the place for that insert word. But this is the journal entry I wanted to share with you. Maybe you can read it. There. Thank you. This is my announcement, friends. I have recently learned to not open this very window over here, because if you do, especially if you are in a tropical place, a lizard might come through that window, which is what happened to me, and I was scared out of my mind. Just thinking about it gives me the heebie-jeebies, okay? How did I get it? Oh, it was on the bath mat, so I folded the bath mat and threw it outside. And then the lizard escaped and I took the bath mat and I was so scared. So now, our little window over there remains shut. Closed, shut. Forever. feel like I'm in like Art Basel in Miami. Like this, I feel like I should be paying to see all of this. I keep looking for a quiet place for us to talk, and it might not happen. So I'm just gonna head to the beach and say goodbye to the ocean because I don't know when I'll see the ocean again. Hopefully very soon. Oh, outfit change. Yes, had to change the outfit because I needed to be in something that's a little bit more breathable for the airport, and everything else is dirty. So here we are. This is the look. This is the vibe, the look. I'm gonna be the most colorful woman at the airport. And I'm not bothered. I'm okay. Actually, I'm gonna be just fine. No. Wait. We need light on your face. There you go. Jose, muchas gracias, Jose. Oh, muchas gracias. Jose is so kind. He took a picture of me. He saw me struggling. I was over here and my thing fell. And he took a nice photo of me. I appreciate it. Muchas gracias.
Muy hermosa, ¿eh? Español.
Sí.
Buen día.
Buen día. Buen día. Have a good day. Bonjour.
Bonjour en
Bonjour. Français. Have a good day. Bonjour.
En inglés es
Have a good day. Have a good day.
Yeah.
Sí. Muchas gracias,
Ya,
Jose.
bye.
Bye.
¿Qué hace la dominicana en el video?
Despacio, por favor. So I wanted to just share one last thing. The very first night when I arrived here, I sat in this bench. It was around 11 p.m. at night, or like maybe 11:30. But I sat on this bench here, so hungry, muy hambre, no, muchos hambre, you know. And I asked the security guard because everything was closed, or rather everything that would be comfortable for me to go in as a person who doesn't speak Spanish. It was pretty much closed, and I asked the security guard who works here, and I was like, I'm so hungry, I don't know what to do. And he was like, I'll go get you some food. And so I gave him some money, and he went and he got me food, and I was so grateful. And I immediately knew, I was like, wow, literally, he didn't have to do that, but he chose to do that. So this is what I mean when I think about just the things that can be overlooked, but the daily kindness of people just reminds you of the goodness of God and the love that overflows from human beings. It's so possible. It's funny because I didn't even share with him what I wanted to eat. He was like, what would you like? I'm like, what you bring, I'll eat, sir. I think I'll insert a video of that moment and what I was able to enjoy with the mini cats that were here accompanying me. That was a little surprise. I was like, you know what? I'll become a cat person for a couple of days. And it worked out, you know. So the other day I wrote on Instagram that for women, we need safety and we need security. Because sometimes they can be like in a massive fight, right, with someone. I say someone, but I mean your spouse. You can be in a massive fight about money specifically. And the root of the fight, like the actual reason of the fight, is not so much the money, but it's the feeling of desiring security and safety. This is from a woman's perspective, right? This is what we're fighting about. We're basically saying, this made me feel unsafe just in my world, because money for us is safety. It is security. It means that everything is all right. I have a roof over my head. I have food, you know, in the cupboard. The children are taken care of. The needs that we have are taken care of. You know, that's what it means to have money. It means that we are able to do the things we need to do with the people we want to do them with. We're able to even have an overflow and care for family members in the community. This is what having money means for a woman, you know. And for a man, I can imagine the fight might be about feeling insecure or inadequate as a provider, right? So you're fighting about one thing, but that's not the thing that everyone is fighting about, you know? The two of you are fighting about one thing, but your true root causes or the rooted reasons of why you're even having this fight, that needs to come to the surface. You need to talk about that, because she needs to know. She just simply needs to hear you and know, like deep in her heart, but to also verbally hear that you are safe with me. I got you. I'm not gonna let you fall. You're fine with me. I got you. You know what I mean? And for the man, I feel that as women, really, that's why I talk about, like, you need to appreciate your man. It's really important to also give him that confidence of, I believe in you. I believe that you can provide for our family. I believe that you can do this. Tell me what you need from me so that I can support you in making this happen, right? There's one last thing. Yeah, so many things have been said. I am now preparing an in-person event in South Africa. In-person event in South Africa. So far it looks like it might be 3 days, all right? Not the full day, okay? 3 days. And we're working out the details of it, but it's an in-person event where you get to come and we can have these trainings together, you know, in person. So I'm excited for that. My taxi's here. See, oh, that's it. Muchas gracias. Gracias, friends. Bye. Well, I'm here. With a whole lot of cats. 1, 2. There's another one by my room. Oh, 3.